Hello everyone, my name is Costas. I'm the College of Medicine and I'm originally from Cyprus. I can't go home right now due to coronavirus. However, I'm trying to make most of my days by cooking loads. This is my friend Theo and we're making lasagna today. He's making the bechamel and I'll be making the minced meat. So stay tuned everyone. So all the vegetables are in the pan with the minced meat and the bechamel is almost ready as well. And after they're done, we're gonna start making the layers in a tray. The lasagna were great, and now we're moving on to my favorite part, the wash up. Stay home and stay safe.